Hello and welcome back to another video of Handy Gifts. So in today's video, we'll see how to make this cute snow globe. So without wasting time, let's begin. So to make this snow globe, firstly you need this type of box, which is transparent, obviously, so that you can see the model inside. So see to that whatever model you select or design, whatever should be inside, it should fit inside the box. So select the box carefully, and the model I'm going to use is this one. This is, I don't have to explain this, but yes, Ritik is my favorite, so I'm going to use this Krish model which I bought this way long back, so I thought I'll use this. So this is the model I'm going to use, and you'll need a glue gun, as you can see here, and also the glitters. I'm using white and yellow, as white, black and yellow are my favorite colors. So black is already there the model is black, so white and yellow glitters I'm going to use. So these are the things you need, and also water. So yes, without wasting time, let's begin with the DIY. Hello again, so I hope you like this idea. If yes, then do hit the like button. Also, do try it and let me know how it turned out. Also, post your pictures and tag me on it. You can see my Instagram ID here. So tag me on Insta, I'll repost it on my stories. So yes, I'll be waiting to see your creativities. That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.